Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to filter by date in Excel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to select your table. I'm selecting them. Then go to Data tab, click on it, then click on Filter. You see the filter icon is added. Now I'll select this drop down, and from here I see category by years and date. Now I want to see only the data of 2011, so I am deselecting all of them except 2011. Click OK. You see only the data of 2011 is appeared. Let's do again. I want to see the data only 2014. Click on it and OK. Now I have the data only for 2014. This is how the filter by date works in Excel sheet. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share my video. Thank you very much.